Hello. Welcome to the channel. My name is Jossie and today we will do a home tour of Tammy's house. Here you will find ideas to inspire you with a charming shabby chic style. In the living room. To begin with, we can highlight the shabby chic style sofa covers that combine with the colors and style of the living room. In addition, the cushions have prints and pastel colors with vintage characteristics that stand out against the white and at the same time gives it the balance in decoration. A tip from this cozy room to enhance the shabby chic vibe is to use seat covers made of natural, distressed materials such as cotton, linen or burlap, and if you can, look for seat covers with ruffles, lace trim or frayed edges for an authentic look. Another feature you can note is to consider adding vintage-inspired wall art, floral curtains, antique furniture, or distressed wood accents to complete the overall shabby chic aesthetic. Lastly, maintain a sense of balance without going overboard with the shabby chic theme. Remember, shabby chic is all about creating a comfortable and charming atmosphere, so have fun experimenting with different seat covers and textures to achieve the desired look for your living room. In the dining room. In this cozy dining room, it was possible to mix and match different vintage styles and eras without fear. The furniture is all white but stands out and displays antique porcelain and antique plates on open shelves in addition to having a sideboard to add a touch of elegance and nostalgia to the space. Shabby chic is about accepting imperfections and creating a cozy, lived-in atmosphere. Let your creativity guide you when creating a unique and personalized vintage dining room. In the kitchen. Here the style was changed by simply choosing the right moldings, opting for decorative moldings with intricate designs that are characteristic of the shabby chic style, such as curved moldings, scallops and floral motifs. Additionally, the moldings were given an aged and worn look very gently to the edges and corners of the moldings. Additionally, elements were added to enhance the shabby chic style, such as vintage-inspired knobs or handles, open shelves with distressed edges. And finally, the decorations could not be missing with vintage charm. A shabby chic romantic bedroom. I love bedding to highlight the shabby chic style. Here bedding is selected with delicate vintage-inspired designs, such as floral and lace motifs. Opting for soft and light materials such as cotton, linen and chiffon. Adding layers with romantic blankets and lace and ruffled pillowcases. Soft and fluid fabrics were also incorporated throughout the room. Using sheer and lace curtains to allow natural light to filter in and create a dreamy atmosphere. In any decoration, it is important to have the personal touch. That is why we encourage you to infuse your personality into the room by showing sentimental elements or incorporating things that have a special meaning for you. This will make the space feel truly romantic and tailored to your taste, like in this example. Remember to keep the overall aesthetic soft, romantic, and slightly distressed to achieve the desired shabby chic look.